Hey everyone, I recently purchased an Xbox Series X and I was interested in configuring my TV to provide the best 4K gaming visual output. The launch of next gen consoles has also brought in a new range of TVs which now come with extra features to provide a stunning gaming experience. The CX and VX TV series from LG is popular these days, especially if you're looking for a television that you would like to enjoy playing on the next gen console, especially the CX48 model. Unfortunately, that model is not available in India right now, and you only have a choice to go for a 55-inch model that is available in the CX and BX series. I have a 43-inch LG 7600 4K UHD model, so I'll be taking you through the settings which you can configure on your LG television from the 2019 or 2020 lineup if you have brought any model from this range, because most of the settings for these models would be common. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have two settings to cover here in this video. First, we are going to look at the settings that you need to change on your television and the additional settings that you need to configure on the Xbox Series X. So starting on the television first, if you click on the home icon on your LG TV remote, it will take you to the it will give you the pop-up screen where you can click on the home dashboard, and once you have the home dashboard open, on the top right corner you will find the edit icon. So you need to click on the input option, uh, and you need to select an icon which is associated with PC on the list that you see. You need to save this option, and once you've done this part of the setting on your television, you need to then jump into your additional settings now for customizing your game mode on the LG TV. So for that, what you will need to do is you will have to click on the settings icon of your remote, which will open the pop-up menu for all settings on your screen. And now you have the picture menu in front of you. Make sure that you have the energy saving feature turned off, and we'll go into the game picture mode customization. So you can increase your backlight up to 100, also increase your contrast setting to 100. You can configure the brightness settings to your comfort and turn down your sharpness to 0. It was on 10 by default in my television. uh, Set the color option to 55. Again, this is something that you can customize. If you go to the picture mode settings, in the advanced mode, you need to customize the gamma setting as well. It would be on 2.2 by default. Select the BT dot 1886 option. The next setting that you need to look at is your picture options. Uh, Here you need to change the black level to low. It could be on auto by default, or if it is high, you need to bring it down to low. The next option that you need to select is your TV. The LG TV has an option to configure the uh, HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color. Turn this feature on for the port where your Xbox Series X is connected. Also turn on the instant game response for the same port where your console is connected. And yeah, so these are the settings that you need to take care of on your television. Okay, so we will now take a look at the settings that you need to configure on your console. On your Xbox Series X dashboard, go to the settings option. Once you are under the settings menu, you need to select general, go on to TV and display options. Select the 4K UHD option on your display uh, menu. I don't have the 120 Hz enabled for 4K on my television, so I've set it at 60 Hz. Go on to the calibrate TV option. Uh, Please follow the instructions on your television to configure and calibrate your TV for 4K settings. Also select the calibrate HDR game calibration and follow the instructions again because I've already set my TV to the, the settings that needed to be configured here. Go on to the advanced menu then where you can see the check boxes here are all selected on my television. I don't have Dolby Vision support and the variable refresh rate option enabled on my TV. All the other options have been checked by me. Go to the video fidelity and overscan option. Uh, Keep the display override on auto detect, don't change it. And select the 36 bits per pixel 12 bit if it is available on your television. Please keep the color space to standard recommended, don't click on the PC RGB option. Now, if you look at the setup menu here and if you click on 4K details, this is what your screen should look like. Most of the options that are supported by your TV should be enabled and it should have a green tick mark against it. The only thing that my TV does not support has an alert red option there. So yeah, these are the settings that you need to take care of on your console. And just let me know how the visuals look to you while playing the games on the Xbox Series X. And these are some of the settings that have worked for me. Maybe you can fine tune these settings to your liking. And I hope you have found this video useful. Please leave a comment and like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos in future like these. Thank you.